So here I am with the noodles. Hello tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Sapporo Ichiban. It's probably the brand name. It's not this person, I think. Well, it could be actually. It's a brand name for some reason. Tokyo Chicken. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Momosan Ramen, which of course I know some geography. I'm not that dumb. A stamp at the bottom. Tokyo Chicken 10 servings, 10 pack, which means 1 serving equals 1 pack. The price is $10.69. Odd price. So that's what it looks like actually. Air dried, authentic Japanese flavor, product Japan, and 6 grams of protein, probably in 1 serving. Whoa. So it looks like this. Ingredients for the noodles, ingredient for the soup, and ingredients. Good grief, there are lots of contains. Contains milk, bonito, which is a fish, wheat, and soybeans. May contain eggs, crustaceans, shellfish, tree nuts, and peanuts. Nutrition facts. Let's open it up actually because I have no idea how to open it. Let's see if I can find a tape or something. Yep, there it is. I need a screwdriver or something. Luckily, I have one right next to me. Open. That guy. 1 packet contains how many? You mean 1 pack contains 5? Because 10 divided by 2 equals 5? You're right, it only contains 5. Let's rip this. Hold it. Beep. So I'm currently cutting the package because it says since the water is boiling right now, seriously, we add the noodles, cook for 3 minutes, and stir occasionally. Let's find the noodles. And whoa. Almost dropped it off the counter. That would have been a mess. So here is the noodle. I'm gonna just put it on a plate right now. It's big as a plate. And then the other contents that are inside is the soup, the liquid seasoning. So it says I'm gonna put the noodle in the pot and cook for 3 minutes, stir occasionally. And the second step is meanwhile empty soup packet and liquid seasoning in the boiling pot with the noodle. Nope, in a separate bowl. So we put in the noodle in the water now. As you can see, the bowls are boiling. Now I'm gonna put in the soup. I'm gonna lower this all down so you don't want the soup at the top of the package. There you go. Now with a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut carefully. Oops, we're not eating that, right? Okay, open it up so it's all up. And then in a separate bowl, you dump that all down. It smells pretty good. Next, we're gonna do the same thing with the liquid seasoning. And I'm gonna carefully, this is a dangerous one because you don't want water spilling all over. And I'm wearing a yellow shirt. I wonder what color the liquid's gonna be. So I'm gonna cut it kind of at the top, but still enough to be opened. Oops. Come on, out. You're not in that. All right, carefully. I'm gonna empty the soup. It's kind of like cornstarch. It's not liquid fully. It's super thick, like slime. So here I am with the noodles. Here's my spoon, hello. And he's gonna pour it down right now. Careful, it's hot. When you pour it, I'm gonna kind of stir it. Ah, there you go. So here I am with the noodles. Look at me. I like this actually. It's really good actually. Kind of spicy at the end, but very good. Come on, out. Good. Let's see where the end. Oops. It's too long. It's so long. It reaches practically the length of the table itself. Careful, don't want to touch the camera. I managed to get it. I really like this. And lucky me, I got to eat this 10 times. This is great. I like the soup that's burning at the back of my own throat. It's very hot, but it's very good. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown table, and I'll see you guys again in my other videos. Bye!